Truly Fun Toys!
Welcome back to Truly Fun Toys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see our fun videos that are posted every single day.
Hey kids, today we're going to build this ABC Smart House and learn our alphabet along the way. First, we'll start with our base. And we'll put our Smart Star cube onto our base. Next, we'll build our front door. Next, we'll put a roof on this part of the house and connect it. We can't forget to put windows in, so let's work on the side with the windows. And the window. Before we put the next few pieces on, let's learn about the pictures that are on them. Like this one right here. What letter is on this block? That's right, it's a Y. Let's find out what it is.
Amazing! You found the letter Y. I see the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo.
Let's put it on our house. Next up, we need to put this piece in. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a bed. Let's go ahead and put the bed in our house. Our house is coming along nicely. Let's find some more blocks and find out what the pictures are all about. Let's learn about what's on this block. It starts with the letter B. Let's find out what it is.
See the letter B. B is for banana.
Let's take our banana block and put it on our house. Now we can put a window on our second floor. Let's find out what letter is on this yellow block.
I see the letter C. C says S and K. Can you make those sounds? S and K.
It's the letter C. Great! Let's find out what animal that is on the letter C block.
I see the letter C. C is for cat. Meow.
Let's put our yellow cat block next to the window up top. You guys are doing a great job. What's this that I see flying to the top of the house? Let's find out what's on this block.
Amazing! You found the bird.
Great, we found a bird. Let's put the bird at the top of the house. Can you count how many birds we have at the top of our house? I see 1, 2, and 3. Do you see the number 3 on our house? Great job, here it is.
3.
Great job building the house. Now you can help me build some decorations for outside the house. Let's start with a tree. Here are all of the pieces that we will need to build our tree. First, we'll take the grass and some flowers. Here's the trunk of our tree. Can you tell me what letter is on the trunk of our tree? You're right, it's the letter M. M is the first letter in milk. Now, let's put the branches of our tree together. First, we have dark green, and then light green. Dark green again, and one more light green. Great, this tree's really coming together, but it's missing just one thing. Here's the bumblebee. Perfect, now we have a beautiful garden for our house. We have one last decoration that we can put outside of our house before we're done. Let's start to build our lamppost and see what we can find on the lamppost. Here we have carrots from the garden. Next, we'll put our friend the butterfly. And then we can put the light for the top of our lamppost. Great job! This red block has 2 things that you can find in a tree. That's right, it's an apple and a nest. Nest starts with the letter N, and apple starts with the letter A. Let's put the apple and the nest in our tree. Next we have a white block that has 2 animals that you might find around your house. This side is a bunny, and this side is a puppy. Which one do you want? I'd like to have the puppy because I don't want the bunny to eat all of my carrots. Let's put the doggy on there now. This orange block has something that smells very nice and that you would find in a garden.
Yum.
It's a flower. Let's put the flower with the rest of the flowers in our garden. Now we can have two friends join us at our house. This yellow block has a girl. Let's put the girl at the house now. This purple block has a boy. Let's put the boy with his friend. Today you're going to help me build this food fun family farm by Leap Builders. And while we're building, we're going to learn what types of food and animals are on these blocks. Let's get started. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see which farm friends are hiding behind these windows. First, let's turn on our Smart Start Learning Cube so we can learn while we build.
Welcome to the farm. Come along, build and learn with me.
Great, let's get started. The first piece that we're going to start with is this base. This is where we're going to put all our blocks to build our farm. Let's grab our first block now. Alright, now we're going to press the question mark to see what block we should start with.
Can you find a food that grows on a tree?
Let's see what kind of food grows on a tree. Does a banana grow on a tree? Let's see if we're right.
Okay.
Bananas. Woo!
Great, now let's use our banana as the first piece to our farm. Let's press the question mark again and see what block we should use next.
Can you find an animal that says?
Do you know what animal says that? Do you think it might be this one? Let's try it out.
Yes. The sheep says.
Great job! Let's find our next block. Do you know what sound this animal makes?
Welcome to the farm. Cow.
Now we're done with our first row of blocks. Let's get started with our second row. Let's use a vegetable for our first block on our second row. Do you see a vegetable on these three blocks? That's right, broccoli is a vegetable. Let's put our broccoli on our building now. Let's press the question mark again to see what block we should use next.
Can you find a food that grows on a tree?
Does a pear grow on a tree? Let's find out.
You got it. Pears grow on trees.
Great job. Let's put the pear on our building now.
Can you find a food that we get from a cow?
Do you guys see a food that we get from a cow? That's right, there's a carton of milk. Let's see if we're right.
You got it. Milk comes from a cow.
Let's put the milk on our building now. Now we're done our second row of blocks. Our next block that's going to go on is this one. Can you tell me what you see on this block? That's right, there's a little kitten, a pitchfork, and some hay. Let's place the block on top now. Now before we put our Smart Start cube on top, we need to build another section. Let's use this base and this window to start. Next, we're going to be using this piece for the roof. And now we can put on the second floor of our barn. There we go. How awesome is this looking? Now let's place the Smart Start cube on the top of our barn. Next, we can put the roof on our cube. Awesome, this is looking great. Let's use this red block for the roof on the other side of our barn. Let's use these 5 pieces to build the silo. Let's start with the base and the bottom of the ladder. We'll use our second ladder piece, our window, and the roof. Great job! Let's press our question mark again to see which block we should use next.
Can you find an animal that says?
Do you guys know what animal barks like that? That's right, it's a dog. Let's find our dog and put him in the Smart Cube now. Here he is. How cute is that puppy? Great, let's put our little doggy at the bottom of the farm. Can you tell me what vegetable is on this block? It's orange and bunnies love to eat it. That's right, it's a carrot. Let's find a spot to put our little rooster weather vane. I think he should go right here.
Okay.
That looks great. Our next block is red and has a cat and a bird on it. I think I'm going to put the bird on the top of our silo. This block is yellow. This yellow block has a green snap pea on it and some sliced potatoes. Let's put this block over here. Next, we have a green block. This green block has some yummy red strawberries and some delicious grapes. Let's put the grapes and strawberries over here. This is a brown block. This brown block has wheat. We use wheat to make bread and some rice on it. Yummy rice. This white block has some yummy cherries and some delicious oranges on it. Let's put the oranges and the cherries with our rice. This orange block has a chicken and a duck on it. Let's put the chicken and the duck with our chicken coop. This yellow block has an orange pumpkin and a mushroom. Next, let's put this cute little chicken up on our fence. And now we get to put our cute pink pig in his pen. We have two more cute farm friends hiding behind these brown windows. This one here and this one over here. Can you guess what they are? Let's get a little closer and find out. First, let's look in this window on the left side of our barn and see who's inside. Oh, look at that! It's our friend the brown cow. Our brown cow friend looks super cute. Let's put him in the pen with the pig. Now that our brown cow and our pink pig are in the pen, let's find out which one of our friends is hiding in the chicken coop. Can you guess what animal is hiding in the chicken coop? Oh, look at that! It's our cute little friend the sheep. Let's have a look at him. Here's our sheep. He's ready to go in the pen with the rest of his friends. Let's put him in the pen now. Here's our 4 farm friends enjoying some nice hay in the pen. Let's close it up so they can't run away again. I had so much fun building this food, fun, family farm with you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more of our fun videos. Thanks for watching!